Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the Messenger app itself is current and has permission to access storage. This avoids thumbnail or full image loading errors. Once done, open the conversation that contains the photo and tap the thumbnail to attempt full view. If the image doesn't expand, make sure your connection is stable and that downloads aren't restricted in data saver mode. These initial steps eliminate common blockers and get you into the viewing flow quickly. Now focus on forcing the image to render. Tap to enter full screen and pinch to zoom so the app fetches higher resolution. If that fails, use the three-dot menu to save or open the photo in your gallery. Saving creates a local file that bypasses transient loading issues. If the picture still appears corrupted or stuck, clear Messenger's image cache or force stop and reopen the app, because that resets temporary failures and often restores proper viewing. To finish, confirm the photo saved correctly and that you can open it in your gallery. If everything looks fine, you're done. If problems persist, install Messenger again, but first export any unsaved media. Reinstalling clears deeper app faults. Alternatively, open Messenger on the web or another device to determine whether the problem is device-specific. Troubleshooting tip: if an image remains unreadable, ask the sender to resend the original file format, since corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.